Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Jules. And this time I'll be sharing with you on how to prevent orchids death and some key points about why orchids die. Orchids die when are not properly cared of, most commonly due to overwatering, which leads to root rot as the roots need excellent drainage and cannot tolerate constantly wet conditions. Other factors include underwatering, improper lighting, extreme temperature changes, pests, diseases, and poor air circulation, all of which can stress the plants and eventually kill it. So let's start with the key points why orchids die and how to prevent it. 1. Overwatering and or underwatering. One of the most common reasons for killing an orchid is due to the amount of water you give. Overwatering prevents roots from getting enough oxygen and leads to the root rot. Not only too much water, but also using water with high mineral content can contribute to root problem. On the other hand, underwatering can cause the leaves to turn yellow and wilt. How to prevent that is proper watering. Water your orchids when the roots look like silvery and not green. Also, when the potting medium feels dry to the touch. Make sure that the water drains completely from the pot. Continue to water the plant even if it's not blooming to prevent dehydration. 2. Improper lighting. Too much direct sunlight can burn the leaves, and too little light can prevent from blooming because orchids need bright and indirect light. To prevent that from happening, appropriate lighting is necessary. So provide bright indirect light for all types of orchids or place your orchids near an east or north facing window. If you only have south or west facing windows, keep the plant several feet back from the window. Or use a share curtains to filter direct sunlight. In winter, orchids may need more lights so you can move them to a brighter location or use a grow light. 3. Pests and diseases. Infestation from insects like spider mites, mealybugs, or scale insects can feed on the plant's sap that can weaken significantly or kill the plant. It can be prevented by regular monitoring. Check your orchids for any signs of diseases, pests, and root issues. Then, treat with proper insecticidal, detergent, or fungicides. 4. Temperature fluctuations. Sudden changes in temperature can shock the plants and cause damage. Prevent this from happening by suitable temperature. Maintain a consistent warm temperature range. Orchids prefer daytime temperature of 75 degree Fahrenheit or more and nighttime temperature of 65 degree Fahrenheit or more. In winter, this is not always practical to achieve. Thus, do not expose your blooming orchids to temperature colder than this. Or you can move your orchids to a different room in the house and it can help. 5. Incorrect potting mix or medium. Using an incorrect potting mix for orchids, like regular potting soil, can lead to root rot and ultimately the death of the plant because orchids require a well draining medium with excellent air circulation, which most standard potting soils do not provide, causing the roots to suffocate in excessive moisture. There are three key reasons why incorrect potting mix harms orchids. 1. Poor drainage. Regular soil retains too much water, leading to soggy roots and root rot, a major threat to orchids' health. 2. Lack of aeration. Orchid roots need ample air circulation to thrive, which is hindered by dense potting soil. And 3. Nutrient imbalance. Standard potting soil may contain too many nutrients for orchids, which can burn their roots. What to use instead? 1. Orchid bark mix, the most common choice, providing good drainage and air circulation. 2. Sphagnum moss can be added to the mix for slight moisture retention but should be used sparingly. And 3. Charcoal. It helps prevent fungal diseases and improves airflow. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your time.